Geti is a great platform for developing AI-based solutions for people with no AI expertise. At the end of the Geti flow, you get a deep learning-based model customized to your specific needs. And you can take this model and deploy it, use it anywhere. But where and how? Here is a very simple way to use such a model in a ready DL streamer application that can run anywhere, the cloud or an edge device, native on the system or in a container. Let me show you how. I'll start with Geti. I'll take a simple car detection project from Geti. I already have a model trained and meet my accuracy targets. I can get the model in multiple formats, PyTorch, Onyx, but I'll take the OpenVINO version. I'll just download the model in FP16 format. I can also start the optimization and let Geti quantize a model to int8 format. It is a long process, but at the end, I have a model in int8. You can see that it is smaller. Let's download that version of the model too. Now, let's take that model and use it for a full video analytics application using Deep Learning Streamer. Deep Learning Streamer, link below. Getting started is easy. Just download, install the prerequisites, get the package, make sure you have the right OpenVINO version, install DL Streamer, see my other video on installations. There are also some important settings to pay attention to. Once you're done, go to Samples. Please check my other videos on the benchmark app and the face detection samples. Now we'll look at the deployment of Geti model samples. You can, of course, read the README file. I'll just jump straight to it. Initialize the DL streamer. I've already placed here an input video file, and let's look at the sample code. Easy to read, easy to edit. Need to specify the task the model is doing. Could be detection, segmentation, or others. Need to supply a path to the model, the target device. Same code, by the way, can run on CPU, GPU, or an NPU. Input could be a file, a URL, or a camera. And for the output, we can just display the FPS or the video or store the result in a JSON file. Pay attention to the location of the models. You have to define the variable and place them in the right place. This is a standard location, and I've placed here the two models under FP16 and int8. Let's run the script. It's a detection model. Here is a model location in FP16, run on CPU. Input video and display the results. And here it is. You can see that all the cars are detected. It's not running very fast, 14 FPS, but probably enough for most applications. Let's run the same code. Now with the int8 quantized models, you can immediately see that it is running much faster at more than 50 FPS. And the accuracy is still good. All the cars are still detected. From Geti to a full working video analytic pipeline using DL Streamer. Try it out. Thank you. Subscribe.